to go over how to open Photoshop. Now, there's several different ways to get Photoshop once you have it installed in your computer. I have it installed in my toolbar right here. You can see a PS Photoshop 2022 version. Now, another way is to go to your application bar and then look for Photoshop. You can see that we have it here, and then here is the icon, and you just double click the icon to open it up. You can also pull on the icon and drag down, and you can make a copy of Photoshop. So it'll be in your toolbar. Another way is to go through your Launchpad and pressing on your keyboard F4, and you scroll through your applications that you have. You can see that I have Photoshop right here in Windows 4 or Windows 3, and I just double click. So that is 3 ways for you to open up Photoshop once you have it installed in your computer. Take a moment now and open up Photoshop and find the best way of opening it for you.